Right there, my man 1961 here. Just like the, I don't know whether I've shown this before, I might have it on one of my films. It's one of my knives, it's a Falcon carbon tool steel from Sweden. It's quite, as you can see, it's quite an old knife. It's had some sticks, had some wear, but I hadn't used it for quite a while. And I'm not sure. It's not overly. I was going to give it a quick seal up. Ooh. Yeah. I'll do this without cutting myself. It's quite an edge on it. Old edge, because it's carbon steel. You can see that this isn't dirt. It's just the natural patina of the blade. It's got moulded plastic handle. It's Falcon. It's by Falcon. It's well, dare say, you can do anything with this. So it's not shaving sharp, but you wouldn't want it across your neck. I'll tell you. It's that'll do it. It's just standard steel. Nothing fancy. Just give it a few. Keeps it